Hi guys, welcome to Photographer Academy. This is going to be a bit of a first for us. We're going to do our very first unboxing of some equipment. So I'd just like to say thanks to LOKI Camera Gear, and especially to Matt at LOKI Camera Gear for sending us out this. This is their new video support system. This is a bit of a modular support system. It's designed to do a few different things. It's got some wheels, it's got some bits. So like I said, this is our first unboxing, so let's get on with it. So let's crack on. Now, I've got absolutely no idea what to expect in here. This is my first unboxing video as well, so let's see how this goes. So, first off, what have we got? Okay, interesting looking little pouch. I'm assuming this is for the unit to go into. Get rid of that, some packaging there. Ooh, here we go guys, this is the main event. So, here we go. Got a box. Looking very nice. Plenty of packaging. Well done, boys. There's no way this is going to get damaged in transit. Let's get rid of that. Some more paper. Get rid of that. Right. Here we go. So this is the box. This is the LOKI one. Nice and clunky, as we can see guys, nice plastic, cardboard box, very attractive. I'm sure we all really care about what's inside. So again, plenty of packaging. Well done, that's not going to get damaged. So, here we go guys, this is the LOKI Camera 1 support system. So, all looks very nice, very sleek, very well presented. Got our wheels, so for our mini dolly. 2 sets of those. Pop them out there, and then wow, so this is the main unit itself. This is a hefty piece of kit. This is a little bit heavier than I was expecting. Very well made. Oh blimey, that's got some weight behind it. So let's pop this box to one side, and let's have a look at what we've got here then. So this is a video support system. It's all designed as a bit of an all-in-one system. So the guys at LOKI have basically crunched together a couple of different bits. So shoulder support, cage, the dolly. So this is the kind of things that we've all gone out and bought little ones about. I've got a Zacuto one, and this is their version of that. And I'm pretty impressed so far, to be honest. This is fairly well made. See how easily it opens up. So, there we go. So, nice, smooth locking pins. Very good. Okay, so how do we release this? This is a little entertaining. You guys are going to laugh at me because I've never had hands on this before. So that comes out of there. So there we go. I can see how that works. Now, there's a bit of a shoulder support bit here at the back. Let me try and work out how you're supposed to. Oh, there we go. So there's a little release here. That seems to be doing something. There we go. So that's popped out, nice and easy. Let's tighten that up. So it's just there at the bottom. Let's see how we go. Okay, so once we've opened this up, I just release this bit, and this bit, and this bit. Ta-da! There we go. Right, success. I think we're going to work out what that's supposed to do, so I'm going to tighten that back off. Tighten that bit there. Let me get a rough idea of where that's supposed to go. Okay, and it gets released from there. Got to say, sorry to the guys at LOKI, I'm absolutely butchering this. But it all seems to be coming apart as it should. So, first impressions looking pretty good, I must say, very well made. Well, there we go, so if I spin that bit around, And then there we go. Right, looks like I put the video handle now. Just me having it the wrong way around. That goes in there, that goes there. Okay, I'll tell you what, these locking pins are holding together quite nicely. So there's no way these are going to slip once you've tightened them up. There you go. So got that, got that, got that. Oh, very nice. So yeah, pretty sturdy. Like I said, once everything's locked, this is definitely not going anywhere. Got these little locking pins here as well. I wonder what they do. Oh, very nice. I see. Okay. So that's cool. Very adjustable. Yeah, you've got a big guy like me. That's a decent spread there. Good support, feels solid. It's looking good, so let's just quickly pop a camera on there. So again, nice and tight. Impressive, it's nice. Obviously I can't really give this a full spin sat here in the studio, so I will be taking this out and about with me. I am about to go off on holiday, so I will definitely take this with me and put it to its paces, but so far, with a nice little fold-out screen on this camera, this looks pretty comfortable. I can have it there. Certainly solid enough that I can operate it with just the one hand on this side and the shoulder brace. So all in all, pretty impressive. Very nice freestanding little element there. That's all good. So I will be trying to work out how to put these on it at some point and hopefully do some rolling shots. But for now, I think that's going to take me a little bit longer, so I'm just going to leave it there. So as you can see, this is quite a nice, compact, easy system. Pull down really small, nice carry case. I'm looking forward to putting it in my bag and taking it with me as I nip off around the world for a bit, so hopefully get some good footage. Right guys, well I did warn you that this was my first unboxing video, and true to form, I did mess it up a little bit. So, this is a wonderful unit, lots of stuff, but I actually missed a few bits. I got so carried away with all of this and twiddling with all these bits and finding out how it all worked, you know, looking at the wheels, I actually forgot to look in the box to see if there's anything else. So first rule of unboxing, look in the box. So if I take this bit out, we can see there's actually another layer to the box. So some instructions, which I'm a bloke, so never look at those. And what we have in here, let's have a look, is rails. So video guys, we like rails, so rails are all good for additional accessories, matte boxes, follow focus, that kind of stuff. So let's have a look at how these attach. So just, oh, there you go. See, if I'd actually looked on the front, there's a couple of screw holes, so that should have informed me that there was more to look for. Like I say, particularly just got lost in the moment. So let's screw those into there. There we go. Be careful not to cross-thread anything, because I don't want to break anything right out of the box. I'm pretty sure this is sturdy enough to handle all that kind of stuff. There we go, see, nice and easy. Drop in. I can see as well, looking down at the end, that they have the screw threads inside there if I wish to extend that out any further, if I'm using a longer lens or any other systems. So it's nice and good, they're nice and secure. Again, nice and solid. We can see there, if I'm going to use a follow focus, that's all good. Right, what else have we got in here? We also have top bar. Now, this is to turn this into a cage. So let's try and work out how we do that. And the first thing we do is undo these. There we go, and point them upwards. There we go, make sure that they're straight. Always a good start. Same again on the other side. So that's it. This is my first time fiddling around with this. See, it's pretty easy to use. And then some screw holes there at the top, so that goes into there, I'm assuming. There we go. I set this to my probably wider than average shoulders, so I am going to have to make an adjustment there. Okay, so that goes. We can do that again. There we go. Let's see. Nice and easy. Take it off. And if I undo that side as well, under there. In my OCD, you can line it up so that it's nice and even. There we go, tighten them all off. Excellent. Oh, wicked. Okay, so nice and sturdy, good brace. Lots of screw holes there along the top so I can mount additional stuff. So I can get my microphones or little LED lights or whatever it is I want to do. You can see the shoulder brace is still out as well, so that's really nice and solid. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. And I'm assuming if I fold this away, don't over tighten things. Get that back in there, that folds that way, and then undo that one, that folds that way. Yeah, it's pretty impressive with some, these are like a, I don't know if you can really see it there, but there's like little metal teeth, so it's really holding together really well. So there we go, nice and compact. I think Steve's going to love this for his skate videos and that kind of stuff, so pretty impressive. So first impressions, really good, really well made, well machined, good solid parts, good grip, all seems to hold together really well. I will try and work out how these go at some other point, but I'm going to be faffing around on the table with them, so I will come back to those at another point, I think, when I actually have something to shoot. I've got a reason to put it all together. So yeah, pretty impressed. So this is the Camera 1 system from Loki. Again, thanks to Matt for sending it down. I'm going to take this off. I'm off on holiday for a bit, so I'm going to take that with me and shoot some footage, so I'll play around with it, see how portable and compact and travelable it is. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hopefully we might do some more in the future. We'll see how it goes. I'm Sam from the Photographer Academy. Thank you for watching.